What is augmented reality? Augmented reality, or AR abbreviated, overlays digital information to the real world. Digital elements are seamlessly integrated into the real world by a screen or AR glasses. Put simply, the virtual information is visible in our environment before the viewer's eyes. Virtual information and our real environment overlap in harmony. Have you had any first-hand experiences with AR? Picture yourself wearing smart glasses that project directions right before your eyes as you stroll. Pretty futuristic, yes? In public spaces like airports, train stations, and shopping malls, AR simplifies directions. Thanks to augmented reality, it is much easier to find your way around. AR finds applications in education, in gaming, and infotainment. AR extends beyond industry and gaming. It also thrives in the automotive technology. New cars feature navigation via head-up displays. These systems project the route onto the windscreen, aligning it with the road ahead so the driver can stay focused. Social media and gaming illustrate that augmented reality, AR, has integrated into our everyday lives. The user can access the digital elements via a smartphone, a tablet, or AR glasses. Essentially, any modern device equipped with a camera can support augmented reality. AR software uses camera images, microphones, to blend digital objects seamlessly into the real-world environment in real time. It's like adding a new layer of information and visuals directly into your vision. Imagine seeing directions, notifications, or even playing interactive games. That is AR. Please press the like button and subscribe to get notification of the latest TecARVR news. Keep learning with TecARVR.